melanin ba ba, deep ba ba, a deep ba ba, oh mela mela mela. Melanin ba ba, deep ba ba, a deep ba ba, oh mela mela mela.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and even you, welcome to my channel. So today, today I have this glam look going on for you guys. So get ready with me because I'm about to go out. But I only filmed the eyes and the rest of the face. I skipped the foundation and the concealer and all of that. One, because my technical whatever has been acting up, so I'm trying to shorten the videos as much as possible, and also because I'm trying to hurry up to leave the house. So this is what I have for you guys today. Today we played in glitter. Unfortunately I don't have the tutorial for this turban, but I have a turban tutorial for something pretty much similar to this, but just in a different color. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Now let's get into the video.
So starting with my eyes from this look, I'm going to prime my eye area with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer in light. Forgive my voice, I'm kind of dealing with allergies right now. I'm going to apply this NYX concealer. Honestly, I don't remember the name, but it is a darker shade, I think. I'm going to apply that underneath my brows to sort of blend that with my eyeshadow primer. Then I'm going to prime my eyes with my P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor 3. See, that's why I needed a concealer, so everything sort of blends and I don't have like this streak of white or lighter color right underneath my brows. It's still going to be lighter, but it makes it better. Going into my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, I'm going to apply that pink in my crease. And I'm going to put it in my crease and then sort of blend it out. And you want to stack the colors first because I don't set my eyeshadow base, so this makes the colors more obvious, more pigmented. I'm going to use this color from my, sorry, that was my festival palette at first. This is a Zulu palette, and then I'm going to blend that pink out with the orange. And this is such a nice color, these two together. I love it together. Anyway, so I'm just going to blend it out and blend both of them. Going into my Saharan palette, I'm going to use that black and just stack that, sort of putting that in my crease as well, but blending that with that pink. Sorry guys, I'm just all over the place. But I'm just going to blend both of them together, going back with that pink and making sure everything is blended. You're going to do a lot of blending, trust me. I had to go back and forth with what colors I used to make sure everything was blended, so that's why you see me just speeding through the process. But I just kept going back and forth and just making sure everything is blended well. So I'm focusing this black on my outer V. So it's a smoky eye, of course, so I'm just focusing that in my outer V. And I'm trying to take the black up because I'm going to cut my crease and I want that to show. So this is how I cut my crease. I put it in and I look up. I had to clean that little stain, but then I'm just gonna speed up this process. But it's a half cut crease, obviously, so I'm just going to use that same P. Louise eyeshadow base to just cut the crease. So I'm going to go into my Masquerade palette and I'm just going to apply this blue, really pretty blue color. I don't usually use blue on my eyelid, but yeah, I'm just applying this gently, as neatly as I can to my center lid, and just making sure I don't make a mess. I'm going back to blend the blue and the black to make sure there's like a nice transition between both colors. So I just go back and forth. I'm going to apply that black, a little bit of it, just to kind of make that crease more precise. That's what I'm doing here, giving it like a better precision. And I'm going back to blend, of course. I'm going to take this nice gold color in my festival palette, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corners of my eye. Not the inner corners, but next to the center lid. And I'm just going to apply that gently and also blend. Going back with that blue and making sure everything is blended. So now I'm going to apply my glitters, and I use my e.l.f. glitter glue. I apply the glitter glue first, and then I go and I apply the glitters. The glitters I usually use are from Super Glitters. I think this is Gibbs Gold. I'm not sure, but it's just one of the gold colors, and the blue. I think this is Cobalt Blue I'm using. I don't know if Super Glitters is still functioning, but I know that is this website they sold the glitters really nice amount for like $1 each, and you know, it's just amazing. So I'm just going back, you know, with the glue and also applying the cobalt blue on top of that. No, I just try and blend both glitters together by just dipping and dabbing in both, to be honest. And I'm bringing that black in because I want to smoke it out, but not like a liner. So I want to do like that smoky effect where it's not a line, it's like a liner that smokes out to the outer V. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but so as you can see, I'm joining that. It will sort of like, you know, smoke with the outer V. Exactly. So we're done with the face. I went ahead to do that because my camera did not have enough space, and honestly I was in a hurry. So now I'm just blending, making sure the colors are still showing as I've done my face, using this blue eyeliner, this jumbo eyeliner by NYX. I just line my eyes with that. Then I go to this orange in my festival palette. It's really pigmented orange, and I just apply that underneath my eyes, right underneath, you know, my lash line. And I just blended it out and just bringing in that gold, the same gold I used before I applied the glitter, and I'm just, you know, blending it with that orange. And I'm also applying that underneath my brows to make sure my eyes are popping more. You guys know I love a brow bone highlight because it just completes the look. I don't know if I can do a look without a brow bone highlight, but we'll see. As you can see, it just brings the look together. It's just so I also use that same highlighter and the same eyeshadow, sorry, and I highlight my face. If you don't know, you can use highlighter to you can use eyeshadow. Oh my god, what is that noise? This kind of love cannot be touched. I'm just going to highlight the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and the rest of my face. Sorry about the noise, guys. I don't know, the lawnmower or something. Now I'm going into my Sleek Cosmetics palette. I'm just going to apply those two blushes on my face. Sleek makeup, sorry. And we're just going back to make sure the highlighter, the contour, everything is showing before I spray my face with setting spray. Now with my Scandinavia setting spray, I love this setting spray. I'm just going to drench my face in setting spray as I always do. I always drench my face. And you want to make sure that you fan that in immediately so that everything sets in. Now for my lips, I had a little bit of problem here, but let's see. So I first of all lined my lips with my brow pencil, my Wet n Wild brow pencil. I always use this to line my lips. Then I got this Bite. I don't know if you guys have used Bite Cosmetics. I got it from Sephora for my birthday gift. So it's like a liner. They're like two lipsticks. They're like two lipsticks. It was like a lipstick, which I don't even know. It was just horrible, to be honest. Like it was just a struggle. So I put that on my, I'm sure this would be a very beautiful color, probably on a lighter, you know, but for me, no, it was just not working. So I went ahead to line my lips again, and I was in such a hurry, I did not even have time to even, you know, change the lips. So I was like, I'm just gonna make it work. I think I was on a phone call. So I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But what happened was, so I just used my Vino lip liner to kind of help that situation. Then I applied my my lip gloss and Tres Leches on top of that, just to bring out the lips. It turned out okay, no lie, but I struggled with it. So I'm just going back to apply Tres Leches on top of that again.
So this is the finished look, guys. Something, you know, playful, glam, cut crease or whatever. Just, who is texting me? Just something glam, something not, well, I wouldn't, well, just something easy to play around with. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I know this video is not as detailed. There were a lot of mishaps here and there, but we got through the video, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really and truly appreciate you guys, and give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and as always, don't forget to leave and not exist. I love you, and God loves you, and God bless you.
Oh my mela mela mela, oh you bella bella bella, oh you bella bella bella, melanin mela mela mela, oh my mela mela mela, oh you bella bella bella, oh you bella bella bella, my heart go.